Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man, Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA of Dayton, Ohio. We're out here in Urbana, Ohio today at Wag's Bakery, a little special storefront going on. As you can see, this window got busted out, so we're going to be replacing both openings. It's going to look really good when we get done. We'll be back when the guys are finished with the install. And just like that, the guys have the new windows installed. Customers actually already got a sign on the window before we could get out here and shoot. Now, when the guys tore these out, there was a lot of wood rot down here at the bottom, so they did a lot of lumber repair down here for support. And then if you can see on the split, the owner wanted it to split right where the door is at, so it kind of looked cohesive with the smaller windows on top. So I think it turned out really good. Now we're going to step inside and take a look at the interior, and we'll see you inside. All right, so welcome to the inside of the store. A lot quieter in here. So on the inside, you can see the guys did some normal finishing and used our flat vinyl to go around on the edges, and the inside looks just as good as the outside. So there you have it, folks, our special edition, business edition of the Customer's House. Now, if you want to stay tuned, we have some bonus footage coming. We're actually going to take a walk through Wag's Bakery here and let everybody see what they have. Since it's small business to small business, we want to promote that. So stay tuned for some bonus footage. Welcome to the bonus footage for Wag's Bakery. They also do grooming, but just to show everybody what they have some nice stuff for adults that are dog and cat lovers, and they have a lot of different clothing that you can buy for your animal or yourself. Definitely have some good assortment for all kinds of dogs. Over here, we have some dog toys. I actually have one like this for my dog because you can pull it back and let go and launch it like an old rubber band and let them chase it. The one I have looks like a duck. Then as we get into this portion of the store, she's got some raw hides and some other stuff. And she also has handmade treats for your dogs or cats that they make in their kitchen. Look at all these homemade treats. All right, everybody, there's a sneak peek, little bonus footage for Wag's Bakery and Grooming. So if you're living in the Urbana area, they're right on the main strip going through town. Come check them out.